In this short video, you will know which of the muscle building supplement stacks in the market is giving result, the actual product to stack together and how they work. The product I and my dudes are currently using and as well getting great muscular gains is Crazy Bulk. Crazy Bulk bodybuilding supplements are nutritious supplements that help the body stay fit, active and healthy. This brand provides all men and women with different stacks accompanied with documented guides which help you achieve your muscle building desires among other goals. Crazy Bulk products are the complete opposite of anabolic steroids because they are made from natural ingredients that don't generate any negative side effects. Now I want you to know the 5 different Crazy Bulk stacks the company is offering: cutting stack, bulking stack, strength stack, growth stack and ultimate. Number 1. Cutting cycle. This stack includes Enveril, clenbuterol, testomax, and winsol. All these supplements come in individual bottle. Every product has its own features which when combined, provide your body with the ideal balance of solid muscle and a flatter tummy. This stack was intelligently brought to life to help you retain lean muscle mass while you eliminate your body's excess body fat. It's also perfect for maintaining your strength and energy levels throughout your diet, mainly because the supplements can help accelerate your body's metabolism. The cutting cycle was designed to last 8 weeks for maximum results. After the cycle has been completed, it's recommended to stop using supplements for a couple of weeks to refresh the body. In order to see good results, you must use the cycle alongside a balanced diet and exercise program. If you are consistent and disciplined, you can lose up to 2 pounds of body fat per week. By the way, if you choose to read the text information about Crazy Bulk muscle building supplement stacks, then click the link below this video. Number 2. Bulking stack. Bulking is arguably one of the most important aspects of bodybuilding. The purpose of going through a bulking cycle is as simple as gaining strength, power, and muscle mass. The bulking stack was designed to last on average 8 weeks, although a 4-week cycle is enough to see good results. The Crazy Bulk bulking cycle promotes enhanced muscular development, improved protein synthesis, and increased nitrogen retention. It also does its best to enhance strength, improve stamina, and raise your libido. You should also see your recovery times improve. The average mass gain from a 4-week cycle is impossible to foresee. With that being said, if these supplements are used properly alongside a good diet and training plan, you can aim to gain 10 pounds by the time the cycle is completed. Number 3. Strength stack. The strength stack is a combination of all the best legal steroids alternatives that help to increase strength. This consists of DBAL, Enveril, testomax, and trenorol. It will also help to increase muscle mass because with more strength comes a bigger muscle. It's primarily designed for guys that take the gym serious and want to naturally maximize their strength potential. Number 4. Growth stack. The Crazy Bulk growth stack is certainly an impressive package when you look at the 5 powerful supplements that make it up. This consists of clenbuterol, DBAL, decaduro, HGH-X2 and testomax. The stack combines the most powerful muscle building and fat burning products and has a focus on massive muscle gains, fat loss, strength, and performance. It's for serious bodybuilders who want to get absolute maximum muscle growth and off-the-charts energy and strength gains. This includes huge muscle gains, as well as explosive energy and strength increases, plus rapid fat loss and faster recovery. The benefits are numerous and certainly make the stack stand out amongst any others out there. Number 5. Ultimate stack. This is all-in-one combo that combines 6 powerful products of DBAL, trenorol, decaduro, clenbuterol, anadrol, and testomax. If you are already a bodybuilder who wants to take his regime one step ahead, here is the best solution for you. Get your hands on the Ultimate Stack by Crazy Bulk and get a boost of the outstanding all-in-one combo. This stack helps you pack on massive muscles, gives you ultimate endurance for tough lifting, power to run the incline even faster and definitely results in a hotter-looking masculine body. Our recommendations: although Crazy Bulk recommends an 8-week cycle for maximum results, it's probably best to take it easy and start out with a 4-week cycle. In order for these products to work, you need to make sure that you're following a strict training routine combined with a healthy diet. Where to buy, refund and free shipping. Crazy Bulk is an exclusive supplement line that can only be purchased from the official company website. This guarantees that you always receive a fresh and legitimate product at the lowest price with refund policy. If you buy 2 stacks, cycles, you automatically receive a third one added to your order completely free. Just select 3 instead of 2 when you check out, and the discount will be instantly applied. The legal steroid company ships to over 100 countries worldwide, free of cost. This means that shipping is 100% free on all orders, regardless of the destination. Click the link below this video to see people results, testimonials, and for more information.